Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Ramon Escalera. If you bought down here somewhere and you were buying and selling, great stuff, great stuff. Made an extra 1,000 XRP when XRP pumped. When it hit this number here, I was able to sell from my last video. I ended up selling right around 4,999. I'm still shooting for 4,999. Yes, it's made an extreme drop. But this is good. This is where you want to buy. It can even go as far low as 4,400. Possibly. We'll see what happens. I mean, eventually, the selling is going to lose a lot of steam. And then you're going to see one of these huge spikes again. So I would definitely get in either now or make a sale at 4,400. Buy at 4,400. Or right in between here somewhere. This is where you want to make your... Because look at this big spike. It did drop way down here at one point. This was on 620. That was yesterday. So it could possibly do that again right around 4,400. So I would probably buy right around this range here. Now or 4,400. Or even in between. And just sit on it and wait for the big spike. Will it hit 5,000 again? Maybe. Maybe not, but you can still make some money if you sell right around 47.75 because it touched this point 4 times, okay? More than 4 times. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times right around this price here, 47. And you'll make some profit. You make 300 or something Satoshi, okay, with XRP. So you'll make some decent amount of moolah, okay? That being said, let's go back to Bitcoin. I was hoping to buy back at 9,600. It didn't hit 9,600. It hit 9,617, I believe, was the lowest. Right around 9,617 is what it hit, which is, man, I was hoping it went down to 9,600. That would have been a great buy-in because I would have made, a few $100s overnight pretty much. And I wasn't able to buy it there. I had to buy a little higher, which kind of ticked me off, but that's okay because I know it's going to hit 10,000. It's not, I don't think it's going to surpass 10,000. I think there's going to be a huge resistance. If you want to get in and get out from this purchase, you can still make a little money now. From 99.50 is where my sell point is. 99.50 is where I would sell. I'm going for 999. I'm going right from the tippity top. It may just miss it. I've just missed this buy, and I may just miss this sell. Okay, because 99 at 10,000 is going to be a huge sell-off. Okay, and when that happens, you're going to see a big, huge candle. And if I'm not able to make my sale, then I have to wait again to buy back in. So, but I need to cover my losses because I bought a little higher. I sold when it went drop, but then I bought back in when it was higher, not lower, because it didn't meet my target of 9,600. If you understand how Bitcoin is, the great thing is I still hold this Bitcoin and it's still growing in value. That's the great thing. I just don't own a bunch of it like I did before. So this is what happens in trading. When a coin goes up like this, it is not really too many drops. It's hard to make money. So keep that in mind. If it starts to go parabolic, it's hard to make money. So you got to be really strategic and figure out where you're going to go and where your target is. Because even if it's $25, $50 makes for that, enjoy it. Because it's a possibility it's going to shoot up even further. There was about 200 million dumped into Bitcoin pretty much in 24 hours. It was at 280 something million. Now it's at 482 million. That's almost half a billion. And it can continue to rise. So keep an eye out for that. The more volume, but eventually somebody is going to make a huge sell-off like they did today. This was a massive sell-off. I want to say about 10 million, maybe $10 million was sold, maybe even more. Between 9,900. See, when they hit 9,900, that was when it sell. Boom, let me dump it. And they dumped it, and now it's rising again. So you got to be careful with when that happens. This is good when it dumps, but the only thing is when you meet your target. If you meet your target, excellent. If you don't, it screws you because now you have to cancel your buy order and you have to buy higher, which stinks. But that's the reality of it. And these candles were red. Now they're green. Okay, so I thought it was going to continue to drop. I'm like, okay, maybe I can buy back in. But I bought back in 70, 97, 77. I made money from there to here. But I'm shooting for 99.99. But me telling you, again, there's no guarantees, but 99.50 is where I would sell if I want to buy back in now. You'll make about $100 and something between now and that time frame. Well, it's going to hit that either tonight or today, anytime soon. It can moon. And when it moons, it's going to be a lot of resistance at 10,000. You should see a drop. So I would sell 99.50, 99.99, whatever you choose there. Wait for the huge drop. Okay, so I don't know how far it's going to go. Will it hit 9,900? Possibly. Then that's my buy back in at 9,900. Because, hello, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Look at this line. It's not even touching. It touched it once, twice, 3 times. Remember, once, I tell you, if you put a line and it touches 3 times, that's your buy order. So at 1, 2, 3, that's what you should have bought right here. And if you would have bought and held it from 92.90, whoop, look how much money you would have made. It's not even funny. That's what, $600 profit from here to here on one Bitcoin, of course. But this is what I tell you when I create these lines. Again, these are pumps. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Buy. You would have made some good money. Okay. Now it's just been trending upwards. These are the EMAs, and I mean, surpass them all, which is great. I expect it to touch this one again eventually, and that's going to happen, I think, right around when it hits 10,000. You should see a huge dump, and it's going to touch the 25-day EMA, which is this purple one. And once it does that, it's going to shoot up from there. It's going to hit the 12,000. It's going to hit the 15,000. I just think Bitcoin is not going to come down ever again. Keep that in mind. So if you're just buying to hold, then buy to hold. You know what I mean? But just keep that in mind. This not coming back. This ain't coming back down. It's not gonna. If it breaks above 10,000 and it shoots up from there to 12 to 15, it's never coming to 10,000 again unless something major with Bitcoin happens. But other than that, that's it. It's not coming back. It's shooting, and that 80K mark, that 100K Bitcoin is coming more into fruition rather than the 2,000 Bitcoin, if you get what I'm saying. So other than that, and don't be afraid. Libra coin ain't gonna do jack. Okay, Libra coin is going through some scrutiny now. Don't be afraid of Libra coin. Libra coin is just a stable coin. That's all it is. It's like $1. One stable coin, one Libra coin, $1. I wouldn't pay any mind to that. Okay, so that being said, like, you can't make money with Libra coin. That's like having a US dollar in your pocket. It's the same thing. There's no huge fluctuations with that. It's going to be stable, and it's going to be stable for a reason. Okay, they're trying to match the US dollar and make it a digital. So Facebook is pretty much trying to come out with their own US dollar, in a sense, is what they're doing, but it's a digital money. That being said, you won't be able to make money like this with that coin. So I wouldn't even put a penny into Libra coin if I were you. I don't even think Libra coin's ever even going to come out. But that's just my 2 cents. Other than that, what I would tell you is, if you haven't bought, if you're sitting on your coins, sit on them. Don't sell them yet. Wait for it to hit 99.50 or 99.99. Sell there. Wait for the drop. Buy back in at 9,900. It's not at 9,900 yet, but eventually it's going to surpass 9,900. And once it hits that 99.50 to 9,999, that's where your sell point is. Let it drop to about 9,900. Maybe drops even further to 9,800. I don't think it's going to drop $200 worth, but Bitcoin can easily do that. And it depends how much money you want to make. If you want to risk going back in at 9,800 and buying back in here, that's entirely up to you, because you can make even more money that way. But you may miss out if it doesn't go that far down. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't bought Ripple, if you're sitting on your Ripple, listen. Oh, here comes the pump now. I don't think it's going to be a major pump, but we'll see what happens. I remember I told you to buy around 44 or now. And if you would have bought now, you're seeing this pump now. We'll see. Hopefully it'll stand. If it doesn't, cool. Either way, it is what it is. That's all I wanted to share today. I know it's not too much I can offer other than what I'm telling you what's happening. Is Ripple going to make one of these big spikes? Heck yeah. Look, ladies and gents, it always does this. Bang, 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 bang. Little one here, bang, bang, bang. And it's due for another one. Okay? It's due for another big pump. You see this little one? Eventually this is going to go whoop. And you want to make sure that you're in before that happens. Other than that, keep an eye on Bitcoin. Again, I see it breaking 9,900. Hopefully by today, maybe in a few hours. It definitely going to hit 99.50. Most likely going to hit 99.50. And that's when you want to put your sell order, or 9,999 if you're willing to risk that. And then buy back in at between 98 and 9,900. Okay, if you want to be split, go 98.50. but I don't know if it'll come down below 9,900. We'll see what happens, where the support level stands. That's all I have today, ladies and gentlemen. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Comment, like down below. Let me know how you feel. Other than that, that's it. Take care, everyone. Peace out.